how to prepare a budget for your next real estate transaction, and how to negotiate the sales price when you're dealing with the real estate transaction. If you have asked these questions, this video it's for you. Hi guys, this is Joel from EC Home Buyers, Manager of Acquisition, and here we are in this lovely chilly weather from Maryland. As you can see, it's been snowing. It's been snowing, and we're about to take a peek at this property. We're negotiating with the seller, and we're gonna provide you some inside information as to how to budget your next real estate transaction. Come with me. Let's take a look at the property. As you can see from the exterior look, I believe we're gonna have some type of siding issues. There's a little siding damage there. So as soon as you walk in, you have this. Wow, it's a very open. It's a very open space. And then off the bat, I can see that we're gonna have to invest in floor. Yeah, flooring. So there's gonna be flooring investment here. The kitchen, yes, fully renovated kitchen. Well, it has some stainless steel. As you can see, it has some stainless steel appliances. But if you wanna sell really at market value and give us a really nice, decent, appealing kitchen, we're gonna have to get rid of those and then buy brand new appliances. So I'm gonna put a full renovated kitchen. Remember, when you're budgeting, you have to touch each area that you're gonna get the most money out of the investment. So let me see where can we else. Oh, lighting fixtures too. We're gonna have to invest in lighting fixtures. So off the bat, in this, I believe this is the living room, and that's the kitchen. That's the dining room. So yes, from this configuration, we already know that we're gonna have to invest in lighting, fully renovated kitchen, floor. So let's keep on taking a look at the property. Let's go upstairs. Oh yes, we have to provide some love to the floor. And then we also have a bathroom. This bathroom though, it has a nice ceramic. So whenever you have a property with a decent ceramic tile, it will be up to your numbers if you want to take it out or you want to just leave it and then clean it really well, and then of course upgrade things such as toilet, sink, and some of the accessories on the bathroom. So let's go here. I have to take a peek at the installation system that it has too. So I'm gonna write down attic installation. Let's see here what else we have. Windows. Oh, there's a cracked window right there. There's a cracked window. Cracked window. Windows. So far, I think we're gonna have to upgrade all the windows. Lovely. Maybe somebody got in the fight and left those reminders. So let's put doors throughout. Oh, there's a half bath. Well, no, it's a full bath, as you can see. Which we most definitely. There's how many bathrooms here? So 1, 2. So 2 bathrooms. 2 bathrooms upstairs that we're gonna have to remodel. Let's go all the way. Of course, safety first. Smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector is gonna have to be installed to be up to code. And detectors. Okay. And of course, as you can see, this is not our style. We don't like this kind of paint. So cosmetic, we're gonna have to invest in painters, and upgrade some of the flooring as well. Okay, so careful there. So here we are walking to the basement. Wow, seems that they tried to do a room out of this area where the chimney was. So I guess we're gonna have to knock this whole thing down. The electrical panel seems to be decent, but I'm gonna have to talk to my electrician to see if that needs an upgrade or not. So electrical panel potential upgrade. I don't see any leakage here. So remember, when you're doing a budget, you also have to see the property throughout. You have to see the property throughout. Let's go that way. Let's see what we have here. Okay, that's the HVAC system. Again, I mean, it looks kind of decent, but I'm gonna write it down because we're gonna have to ask for estimates. HVAC estimate. So you contact the contractors that are gonna be potentially bidding on your job, and don't settle with one. Don't settle with one bid. Ask for different estimates because you'll be amazed by the different answers that you could potentially get. So, and remember, you have to keep the costs down. By that way, you can optimize the returns. All right. So, and also, you can ask the contractors, hey, give me this a separate estimate for materials and for your labor. So by that way, you know for sure where your money is going. So there's another bathroom here. I could see that the ceramic tiles are really, really nice. So I mean, I'm amazed. This property has really decent tiles. It's not our style, but they seem decent. So we're gonna invest in minor details here in this bathroom. So basement bathroom. All right. Yes, we need windows, and so far I've counted about 5 of the windows that they need to go and change and replace. So there's another bedroom. So let's go all the way upstairs. It seems that this is it for this basement. We have another refrigerator. So let's go upstairs. And so far, I see the flooring. We're gonna have to invest in flooring. That could be easily range between $5,000 to $10,000. It all depends on what kind of materials you're using. Ceramic. You can use also this type of carpet, or we could use this laminated flooring. It's really, really nice. So I'm gonna put down $5,000 to $10,000. I'm just giving a bold number. Of course, I'm gonna have to talk to the contractors and for them to provide me specific numbers. Right now, I'm just doing a quick overview based on my experience as to how much I will be spending on this property. And remember, you gotta see your project and how much you're gonna invest. It's gonna depend upon how many different bids you're gonna obtain for the whole scheme of the project. So right now we have floor, We also have a kitchen, fully renovated kitchen, could be between $6,000 to $8,000. So I'm talking about granite, I'm talking about appliances, I'm talking about cabinetry, I'm talking about lighting fixtures, I'm talking about the whole enchilada per se. Bathrooms, well, the bathrooms we have we have 3 bathrooms. I would say it's gonna be probably $4,000 on each bathroom. 4 times 3, that would be how much? 12, yeah, about 12 for the whole bathroom. Doors, you're gonna have to invest in doors. Each door costs about $200 or less, so it would be 1, 2. So I would say it's just a ball game between 1,000 to 1,500 indoors, or 1,500. We also say the attic insulation. Remember, we just did a quick overview inside. We haven't taken a peek at the roof. If we were to need to repair the entire roof, be between, I would say, between $7,000 to $12,000, judging the amount of space that we have here. And of course, I mean, you could be a bit more technical and bring a measuring tape and measure the square footage of the entire project. But again, right now we're just in the negotiation stage of this property, and I wanted to take a peek at the property and say, okay, put a bold number as to how much we're gonna have to invest in the property and move forward with the transaction. Again, bottom line, it's you have to obtain different bids and obtain a different kind of estimate in order for you to have a more specific number. What we're doing right now is guesstimating, and in order for you to have an idea as to how to move forward with the project, you could use a different technique. There's some calculators online that you could use, and they're more specific. But at the end of the day, a project could go really. You can escalate the numbers up to like 50,000 or 60,000. But bottom line, it comes down to how you negotiate with your contractors. And of course, don't go with the cheapest contractor or the most expensive. It's just talk to them, see what they offer, see what they are willing to provide for that price. So at the end of the day, you're also establishing a relationship, and get to know what they're offering, what they're bringing to the table. So now the specific details in regards to the HVAC system, I'm gonna be bold and say plain $3,000 or up to $5,000. So right now, roughly, I'm looking at 10, 18, 24. So probably right around 50,000 in order for me to remodel the whole property here. I would say between 30 to 45, just to be in the safe side. So that gives you an idea as to how much you can go all the way up to in the negotiation, because you also have to know that you need to gain or have a return to profit as to X amount of dollars. So thank you so much for sticking with us. Again, this is a quick overview as to how to budget your next real estate transaction. As you saw throughout the video, we touch every area. We touch every single area that will give us the most from our investment. Again, you're gonna have to talk to your contractors, get different bids, don't settle with one. Obtain different opinions, as well as break it down from what's labor and what's materials. Again, thank you so much, guys, for sticking with us on this lovely video in this lovely chilly weather in Maryland. If you have any questions, any concerns, please comment down below. If you like the content, please share it with your friends. Or if you have any questions, again, contact me. I'll be more than happy and delightful to assist you in your next real estate transaction. Again, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel or follow us on Instagram, on Facebook. Again, this is Joel from Easy Home Buyers, Manner of Acquisition. See you next time.